The Drag Specialties OptiMate 5 is the best battery-saving charger and maintainer for AGM lead-acid batteries. It delivers 4 amps of charge current, able to rapidly get a neglected motorcycle start ready. It can recover a dead flat or deep-discharged battery from as low as half a volt. The smart 3-step save mode starts off by checking if the battery is connected to vehicle circuitry or not. Step 2 desulfates the battery so it can once again accept charge. And then, Step 3 reconditions the battery to hold charge. If the battery remains in the vehicle, the Smart Save mode skips directly from Step 1 to 3, as its sensed connected circuitry is also drawing power. This means it is best to recover a dead flat sulfated battery out of the vehicle. Once the battery has been charged and tested, the Connect and Forget 24/7 maintenance program will keep the lead-acid battery well charged and sulfation-free. It is fully sealed and therefore protected against accidental spillage, and a handlebar hanging hook keeps the charger off the ground, making it easy to see charge progress from a distance. All Drag Specialties OptiMate battery chargers are fully automatic, Connect and Forget, and the battery charger does the rest. One of these Drag Specialties OptiMate battery chargers is the right choice for your ride. Find your nearest Drag Specialties dealer on www.dragspecialties.com.